Elephant's world, there's a 41-year-old male elephant called Plara. He arrived in September 2010, almost blind. His tusks were cut off and sold by his previous owner, and the resulting wounds became badly infected. Each day, Plara's mahout, Glahan, treats these wounds by patient cleaning with water, squeezing out pus, and treating with antibiotics. Plara is happily now recovering. Plara worked previously in the timber trade. Logs were often so big and heavy he was forced to carry them on his knees. He was most probably blinded by a sharp branch during that unhappy time of his life. Now, all he has to carry is a delicious pumpkin as his treat. At the end of the day, Glahan leads Plara to sleep deep into the forested mountains where bamboo grows and occasionally sings a Korean song from his province to this gentle, blind elephant. Plara, as a result of this dedicated care, has developed a complete trust and friendship with Glahan, his mahout.
Basa tenyane tenyole yo ba o de de tenya yerali lenata e oli kematitana tenyole yo ba ke kwa twene ki weye do ta meti me yo ta hewi the sole hakoi yo